How to use Chinese astrology to pick your lucky day. Have you ever wondered why some days everything seems to fall into place effortlessly, while on others, nothing seems to go right? According to Chinese astrology, the answer may lie in the harmony between the energies of the day and your personal zodiac sign. By learning to understand and use Chinese astrology, you can unlock the ancient wisdom that helps people choose the best time for everything, from launching a business, signing a contract, going on a date, or even just deciding when to relax and recharge. This isn't just superstition. It's a complex system rooted in centuries of observation, symbolism, and energetic flow. If you're curious about how to use Chinese astrology to choose your lucky day, you're about to step into a fascinating world of celestial timing. Understanding the basics of Chinese astrology is based on the lunar calendar and revolves around 12 zodiac signs: rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. Each year is associated with one of these animals, as well as one of the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. However, what many people don't realize is that these signs don't just govern years. They also influence months, days, and even hours. That means every single day carries a unique zodiac animal and element combination, which affects the energy or key of that day. To truly pick a lucky day using Chinese astrology, you need to match your personal energy with the energy of a specific day. Step 1. Know your Chinese zodiac sign. Know your Chinese zodiac sign. Your first step is identifying your Chinese zodiac sign. This is usually based on your birth year. But keep in mind that the Chinese New Year doesn't start on January 1st. If you usually birth years and your birth if your birthday falls before or after the Chinese New Year that year, for example, born in February 1985, you're an ox. Born in January 1985, you're still a rat. Once you know your sign, you can start aligning with the right days. Step 2. Understand zodiac compatibility. Each Chinese zodiac sign has certain signs that are highly compatible and others that may cause energetic clashes. These relationships can help you determine whether a particular day supports or hinders your goals. Harmonious triads. The 12 zodiac animals are grouped into 4 trines, groups of 3 that naturally get along. First trine: rat, dragon, monkey, second trine. Ox, snake, rooster, third trine. Tiger, horse, dog, fourth trine. Rabbit, goat, pig. If your sign is rat, for example, days ruled by the dragon or monkey may be lucky for you. These days may bring better communication, smoother decision-making, or lucky coincidences. Clashing signs. Some animals clash in energy. For example, rat versus horse, ox versus goat, tiger versus monkey, rabbit versus rooster, dragon versus dog, snake versus pig. Avoid making major decisions or taking risks on days that carry the zodiac animal that clashes with your own. Step 3. Use the Chinese almanac, Tung Shu. The Tung Shu, or Chinese almanac, is one of the most powerful tools in Chinese astrology. It's like a cosmic planner that outlines the best and worst days for different activities such as marriage, business deals, travel, home renovations, or spiritual rituals. Each day is categorized with activities that are auspicious or inauspicious. Some days are perfect for love and relationships, while others are better for financial or health-related decisions. A good day for one person may not be good for another based on their sign and element. Many modern apps and websites now offer a daily Tung Shu reading tailored to your zodiac sign. You can use these tools to look ahead and plan accordingly. Step 4. Consider the elements and the year pillar. Each year has a heavenly stem and earthly branch that determine the year's dominant energy, also known as the year pillar. If you were born in a wood rabbit year, for example, your personal energy is tied to both the wood element and the rabbit sign. Days that also contain wood energy or rabbit energy may support your chi, making them more harmonious and successful. Conversely, if the day's energy counters yours, say a metal rooster day, it might be more draining. Understanding the 5 elements relationship is key. Wood feeds fire. Fire creates earth, ash. Earth bears metal. Metal holds water. Water nourishes wood. And in contrast, wood blocks earth. Fire melts metal. Earth absorbs water. Metal chops wood. Water extinguishes fire. If your element is water, you might feel empowered on a wood day, but weakened on an earth day. Matching your day's element with your birth element can give you a strategic edge. Step 5. Watch the moon phases and solar terms. Chinese astrology also takes into account the lunar phases and 24 solar terms, which are essentially mini seasons within the year. These can influence the flow of energy. New moon, good for planting seeds, both literally and metaphorically. Start new projects, set intentions. Full moon, high energy, good for social events, celebrations, or making a big decision. Waning moon, time to let go, declutter, retreat. Waxing moon, a great phase for building momentum and growth. Solar terms can add even more layers for building momentum and growth. Solar terms can add even more layers, indicating ideal times for action. Step 6. Trust your intuition, but use the data. While Chinese astrology offers powerful guidance, don't forget that your inner voice still matters. Sometimes a day might be astrologically lucky, but if you feel uneasy, tired, or overwhelmed, listen to that. The best results come when you combine ancient wisdom with your own self-awareness. Example. How to pick a lucky day for an important event. Let's say you're a dragon and you want to start a new business. You could check for days ruled by rat or monkey, your harmony signs. Avoid days ruled by dog, your clash sign. Make sure the element of the day supports your own. Dragons are earth, so days with fire are empowering, while water might challenge you. Look in the Tung Shu for days that are auspicious for opening a business or launching projects. Choose a waxing moon day to help your business grow and thrive. When all these line up, that's your lucky day. Chinese astrology isn't just about predicting the future. It's about living in sync with the cycles of time. By paying attention to the zodiac, elements, moon phases, and daily energies, you can make smarter decisions, reduce friction, and move through life with greater ease. Start small. Check the daily zodiac sign and see how your day unfolds. With practice, you'll begin to feel the patterns And before you know it, you'll be choosing your lucky days like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell for more zodiac wisdom. Until next time, stay lucky and stay shining.